Mamen come for security and tech solution service mount. So you could be we a factory and as a company now per se security yet tie so per fence wall say you electrify or fence no mount na say you mo a CCTV cameras I be try when na solar panels a beboa say light crack offer wo honum endum na light be na 24/7 me come for security and tech solution service the amount from na eno any adwuma from 0244 571-977 and 020-670-9117.
Daruma biaboko.
Then is your court.
Daruma, I'm Jayemfa Kwenye na Cheira, Ashanti Manra, the president of the Ashanti Nation. Time and again, we keep on telling the Ghanaian people that there's an authority in this country. And so when someone speaks, he speaks in an authority. And so today we came to the court in the authority and an authority that Ashanti Man auspices. And so clearly we were here to let the Ghanaian people know, say ampa Asanteman Asama ana anamutu Asanteman tu ye no or tu amana efe and the court no asemukina sampa nsem na esi no a ogina aginaye a okan no court no ahye the Bun Regional House of Chief that as of Monday they should submit the document. Which Regional House of Chief? The Bun Regional House of Chief, the High Court, all right? And then they should submit the document. So man submit the document, the Sampa Traditional Council should do that authority and submit the document to the National House of Chief and for them to work on it. So today, finality and authority and vindication has been given to Asanteman, and today, Tole Samajafla has been vindicated that indeed he's a true overlord of Sampa Traditional Council. That is the position of the court today, and it's over. Well, it has been sealed, and this is the authority of the law, and nothing can be done. It's not by anybody. Nobody have authority in this country. The law is the authority. It is the law is the authority, not Rana Kasa. Who are you to say you not submit yourself to the law? Everybody must submit himself to the law, and that is why we say he's the overlord. All right, and Otumfo and Asanteman will continue to be great. Your Asante is a nation on its own. We have our own rules and regulation and authority, time and again. Asanteman Kasa no Akasa, and for that matter, you can sit on social media and speak whatever you want to speak. But if you think you don't believe it, you come to court. We've come to court, and court has vindicated everybody, and that's it, and finality, and it's over.
And President the appointment, the High Court judges or Buko appeals court. Another man in the home. The benefit effects be on cases.
Oh well, for now, court naka, but of course, you might appoint in Dormahene to the appeal court. Well, we thank Yamani Tinkwa, right? Yamani Tinkwa show my appointing. But the question therefore is, Obia said we want misconducting no. What is it? With the greater respect, I need them now brashimo. Emza anamu 2 hours to no krumanet and send for that time. If you say ebina contempt, no mashan say into a formra. It is a wadarumo be a formra na sebi monsan se no kutupa. Now we call promote to say the appeal court. It's like it's an insult to the Ghanaian people. But of course, the president had the right to appoint. President, to me, so appointed. But the fact that you have the right to appoint, we equally are Ghanaians. You have the right to think, and we feel that what you are going to do is a disrespect to the Ghanaian people, because he has shown disrespect to the Ghanaian people. He has shown disrespect to the law. Time and again, I say, court can't say abushu, and today the court understand. And so clearly, we leave it to the conscience of the Ghanaian people. Ghana for Mona Monka. Whatever happened, so be it. Sesebi nipa watu shana mutuno. We leave it to the Ghanaian people to think. And we will not say anything. As much as the president has the right, at the end of the day, is the Ghanaian people who think. We leave it to the people.
Now, did you say Dormahene and nice be soon at the Biano Castle be book or to Masonana?
Only to me, he was just trying to mislead the people. And today, there is the authority. He has no authority. But of course, he was misleading the people. You can choose to mislead. But when finality, or when people who are rational take you on, and that is what Tole Samajafla, who is a man of rational, who is a man of reasoning, and who believe in the law, all right, at the end of the day, took him on, and he has exposed him that indeed he has no authority. And today the law have exposed him that the fact that you are the president of the Bun Regional House of Chief, you have no authority to sit down and make a determination. So therefore, you have been ordered to do what is right. And so therefore, he has been exposed today.
Now an appeals court judge, who say Obenya influence be their maneuver more documents.
Oh no, it's over. It's over. That's over. We are not going to entertain him anymore. It's over. We are not going to entertain you anymore. I think we end it here. We want to tell the people of this country that it's over. And Asante Man has won. And Tulesa Majafla has won. And for that matter, that's it. It's over. Yes. I think we should end it here. All right? All right.
Aside documentation on submitting, contempt in Mr. Sutribio, Yamana Sutribia.
It has been deferred to 17th of October.
Okay.
Yashano. Bring the document on Monday. One farm bar. The Sampa Traditional Council should bring the document. Okay. All right? And then whether one farm or one for he'll be gazetted. If you oba on the October 17th, no beti sebi asundia court no woman.
So next city
for judgment. Ah sebi ye punish no. All right, until ye hunu mobo. If indeed he's a man of he's a man of somebody who believe in the law, and he was a rational man, and so court probably is a key that they are trying to give you. They want to show you respect. Do what is right. Do the needful. Probably before you come for the judgment. Sebi utu anamutu ayesefata na ba na sebi ye ka judgment kwa court bi hu mo bo Sampampa court no kan sebi utu asan mu tan kwa na afi ye kan say ye san show biem say Monday ana am ba Sampa Traditional Council enfamra no sebi onu hu na so na wo sha na wo sha won say ampa you see that the law is the law.
Now court away processes now unjin this 3 months is too much time for judgment.
No sebi wadaroma sana mranite here wadaroma ahomra shem anya hwe ye nyamre Sebi Chief Justice try no. This is a try now. Or no so only be a bit me try no. And so as long as they are trying the Chief Justice, he is equally triable. And so he must show respect to the law. And he Shana court na kan wada Roma ho brashim.
Okay, would you this 17th no Dormahene beba?
Wamo court no shower the law you tell you Sebi wada Roma on honest say officer Sebi obi otumi a and there should be one of the so for bad time be no kuman ma what I say my miss of be so it tells you that the law is can work.
Okay.
And so everybody can be charged.
Okay.
What you say into be and you be what you say so it tells you no, it doesn't matter. I'm trying to tell you say the tibiano and run bit me you be what I say into it doesn't matter what I say what Roma
your final words to Sampa minus
yeah can say the kan home na sebi se na ebe ya mpumtuo nkoso ebeba santiman bebia sebi yenyina interest obia no na yenyina die. That's the most important thing.
For security and tech solution service enfamount so we dumakuo bi wasi a factory and as a company now per se security yet tie so per fence wall say ye electrify or fence no enfamount na ye say ye ma a CCTV cameras I be twa honum nyina na solar panels a beboa say light crack off wo honum endum na light be gina 24/7 a me for security and tech solution service the amount from na enu enya adwuma from 0244 571 977 and 020 670 9117.